Meaning of heavy hitter.
Heavy hitter.
Heavy hitter.
Heavy hitter.
Heavy hitter. Heavy hitter is an idiomatic expression that means a person or thing that is influential, successful, or powerful. In a literal sense, it can refer to a big and powerful athlete in sports like baseball or boxing. However, the term is most commonly used in a figurative sense to describe people who have a strong impact or influence in their respective fields or industries. Heavy hitters are the ones who can make things happen, set trends, and bring about change through their actions and decisions. Their power and influence are often widely recognized and respected.